Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. In today's video, we will explore a unique group of IR verbs that are conjugated just like ER verbs. These verbs might seem tricky at first, but with a little guidance, you will master them in no time. Let's dive in. Here are some common IR verbs that conjugate like ER verbs in the present tense. Ouvrir, couvrir, découvrir, offrir, s'offrir, cueillir, accueillir. These verbs may end in IR, but their conjugation pattern is similar to ER verbs, which simplifies their usage. To help you better understand the difference, let's compare regular and irregular IR verb conjugation. For regular IR verbs like finir, you will see a predictable pattern. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. These verbs follow a consistent pattern which makes them easier to predict and conjugate. Now let's look at irregular IR verbs such as ouvrir. Notice how they deviate from the regular pattern. J'ouvre, tu ouvres, il ouvre, elle ouvre, nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez, ils ouvrent, elles ouvrent. The verb finir follows the regular pattern for IR ending verbs, while ouvrir is an exception as it is conjugated like an ER verb. Recognizing this difference can help you understand how these verbs vary in their conjugation. Here are some other conjugated verbs. Notice the similarity to ER verb conjugation pattern. Why do these IR verbs conjugate like ER verbs? This irregularity stems from their historical development. These verbs are actually derived from Latin verbs that originally had simpler conjugation patterns. Over time, they evolved to align more closely with the regular ER conjugation in French, which is more straightforward. There isn't a strict rule for identifying these verbs. It largely comes down to memorization. While they might not follow a simple pattern like other IR verbs, you can recognize them through practice and repetition. Focus on learning the most common verbs in this group, and over time, you will get a feel for their conjugation. Keep a list and review it regularly to make these verbs second nature. Here are some example sentences using these verbs. J'ouvre la porte tous les matins. Nous offrons des cadeaux à nos amis. Il découvre de nouveaux endroits en voyage. Il souffre de maux de tête. Je cueillais des fleurs dans le jardin. Nous accueillons nos invités avec enthousiasme. Tu couvres le gâteau de chocolat. To reinforce what we have learned, here is a worksheet with fill-in-the-blank exercises. Complete the sentences using the correct form of the verbs and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box. And we will get back to you if there is any correction. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify how these IR verbs are conjugated like ER verbs. Practice with the worksheet and keep refining your French skills. Do remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insightful lessons. A bientôt. Goodbye.